Right, it's day 2, and as you can see there, the snow is absolutely deep. Right, let's go and get the car. Look at that. Right, I'm going to go and find the car and get the shovel out of it. Sorry for the wind, but this is the main road around my house in the estate, and that's the hill that I couldn't get up last night, and as you can see it's still impassable. This was the only place I could get the car parked, and as you can see there's absolutely no danger in getting it out, you know, and there she is over there, totally and utterly buried, but I'm going to get the snow shovel out of it so I can clear the drive. So this is the entrance to the street, and as you can see there's no danger the car's going to get up here. Got the shovel now, so at least I can get the path at the house cleared so we don't slip on our hole. It's absolutely freezing, -3 just now, and it's a cold -3. Right, that's the pathway cleared, but as you can see it's still chucking it down with snow. Absolute riot, man. So no doubt this path will get blocked up again later, but at least you can walk down it now. So yeah, there we are, and the time at the moment is, well, it's about 9:30. Let's get a brew. Sounds like a jolly good idea.